Looking for a new hairstyle to try out this fall 2023 season? From the shaggy haircut to, of course, the mini bob style, there are many different ways that you can play around and switch up your hair this fall 2023. So if you are in need of some major hair inspiration this season, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at some of the ways that you can wear your hair this fall.